Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to show you how to change a Bluebird door handle out. I've already taken this one apart. You got to take these 4 screws off. Let me show you how it's made. So I got a brand new chrome one right here. And all it is you have a spring that goes into the bottom. Then you put this in and you line up the holes there. And then we're going to, let's see if I can set the camera down for a second. Okay, so all you do is you slide the handle back over. There's a roll pin down here. And you saw where the slot was. You just line the roll pin up with that. And there you go. And then to change it out, to remove the handle is the exact opposite. You want to take a center punch, or in this case, a drill bit. You're going to stick it up against the roll pin and give it some gentle taps, not hard taps, but just gentle ones. And then after that, we'll come here and pull this guy off. I think we'll repaint this guy again. And also, if you need to check your warning light door switch, there it is right there. And then you just undo these bolts. They're 3/4 inch, both of them. So I just happen to have 2 3/4 inch. Oh, that's 7/8. Flip it around. Okay. 2 3/4 inch end wrenches, and we'll take this apart and swap it out.